boys, what is up? I am back. London session opens in 2 minutes. Haven't even been on the charts or looked at anything, to be honest. Let me hop on Alpha Ticks right now. Just been busy. I got some stuff for graduation, suit stuff. But I'll go through all my pre-market analysis with you guys from just pretty much just sussing the markets. On-field daily gap above us. Send this Magna on, looking super nice. Let's make sure this is still it's still connected. Let's go to my WhatsApp so I don't leak any numbers. Boom. Daily on-field fair value gap, super nice. Good draws on liquidity. We also have this good internal draw on liquidity. I think came tapped this 4-hour gap. Order block displaced higher. CISD'd on the hourly, so there's should be either we dive back into this hourly gap, continue higher, which is what I hope to happen. That'd be very, very nice. Even diving into this 15-minute gap would be super sick. Don't ever put these markers out here, but I want to see price come back into this 15-minute gap. CISD here on the 15-minute. Hopefully this is a big point move here. Okay, it's not super insane, but I want us to dive down and then CISD above here. Realistically, move down to about here, be very good, inverse this 5-minute gap, CISD, take that to internal draw and maybe leave a runner to the upside. We'll see what happens. That is my whole analysis on the market so far. Let's suss out silver, see if it's moving the same way. I doubt we have a daily. Oh, we're in the daily on that, so I mean it's still good draw on liquidity nonetheless on gold. This internal draw. I don't really care for S&Ts, to be honest, on silver and gold. Maybe I'll duplicate the tab and keep them both open, just in case. But I'm not going to mark out any draws or anything. It's just my analysis. Want us to come down before going higher. I'll probably put a little line here like this, just to know when this 15-minute gap hopefully gets met. And then hopefully we get a good reaction. But in the meantime, I'm going to put myself sort of on the bigger screen and I'm going to try on my suit for formal. I'm just going to sit here. I'm going to put on my pants just over here so I don't banned on YouTube. That would suck a lot. You guys might even be able to see me in the mirror. So we're going to tilt that. Literally today is just going to be filled with side quests on the markets while also sussing the markets a little bit as we go. Hopefully, what I get to happen plays out. Looks like we're just moving up for the most part. But we will see. We will definitely see what occurs. Yeah, I've got graduation tomorrow. So, just going to suss out the outfit for that. Hopefully it looks somewhat decent. Would be nice. I'm going the all black theme. And I think I'm going in my dad's car to graduation. I hope he's got a G-Wagon Brabus, so fun to drive around in, get some photos with as well. Looks like we're just moving up a bit, but I want to see this retrace. There's nothing I can really take a trade off of right now for the most part. See what I'm looking like. Alright, I'll fuck with the black. All black's kind of hard. How do I look? What do you think of chat? Myself on the full screen. What are we thinking? What are we thinking? Is this tough? Mirror, let me move my mirror. Reflection of my light. Is this tough, bro? Got a black belt as well. This is probably going to be the fit. I'm going to get my watch on and stuff as well, but I haven't tied a tie in so long. Since I was in America last, bloody school. Wear a tie for a bit of that. But let's see what the markets look sort of just stagnant at the moment. Nothing crazy is happening. You guys can keep watching me. I don't expect to see much for the next quite a few minutes, at least 10 to 15 minutes, I reckon. Fuck, how do I do this, man? Something like this. Ah, shit. Yeah, I've completely forgot how to tie a tie. I have to watch that one. I can't even remember what NBA player made that video, but I might have to watch that video to be able to tie this tie. Yeah, see, we're not really moving too much at the moment. A slow marker open, that's for sure. It's good that we have this 5-minute gap here. I want to see a retrace before moving higher, because taking it without a retrace doesn't make much sense when we have an hourly unfilled, which is a very strong draw on liquidity. Hopefully we do bounce off this 5-minute and come lower. Something like this, and like down through it. Something. Oh shit, I might have amazing memory. Okay, that's a good start. I think I learned how to do it. I remember how to do it. It's just really, really badly made. Alright. This is how to tie a tie, guys. You go like this. You go around here. Go down, through. I'm not actually teaching you, but I think that's it. From memory, hopefully. Ah shit, that needs to be longer. There we go, there's a good move down. I won't take anything to the unfilled hourly because we are bullish overall in the day, in my opinion. Yeah, it's probably something you could find to the unfilled hourly, but it's not something I'm willing to risk money on. Okay. Pretty much in action. No women will be obtained. I don't even know if you guys can hear me, honestly. That's the move we want to see. Bang, unfilled hourly tapped. I'll be back in one sec, guys. I'm going to show my mum and my sister. Mum! Mum! Okay, we have approval from the mother, which is sweet. Yeah, killer. Might be going on a hike tomorrow morning. Oh, we keep dumping. Let's fucking go. Shoes still fit. Oh. Alright. We're looking hard. Alright, this is killer. Perfect. I'm sure you could have taken a short off of that to the unfilled 15-minute, going break even at the unfilled unfilled hourly tap. But it's nothing I'm willing to risk money on. Got my bias for the day, and we'll let it play out. What up, dogs? Damn. We're dumping. Interesting stuff. Sort of an expected move. Hopefully we can recover from it and we don't keep dumping. That'd be the last thing I want. Oh, we've made a massive wick low. Let's fucking go. Okay, this is looking super nice for a trade. You trade in the suit. Might be the play. What would we need to see? The best thing I could see here personally would be at least a 5-minute CISD, but I'd love for this 5-minute to close as well. Take something along the lines of this. I don't know. setup. This should look buns as hell. M Gold, MGC. Got the leading account. We've got main draw on liquidity for the day. Sus the 5 minute. Main draw on liquidity is this, with the next draw being at 107.6, 106.7. It's the second draw on liquidity. We'll just sit this on the 5 minute. Okay, you guys can see. I was just making sure. I'm just gonna take these pants and everything off real quick because I don't want to be in this shit for too long. Dunk that down. I doubt we'll miss a setup. The way we're moving, not too much volume in the markets, but we will definitely see. And if I miss a setup, then a little bit disappointing. Just need to catch this cheeky winning day. Give me the winning day, G. But I'll probably trail to winning day, or break even or something along those lines at the full TP, and just see if it can run out a little bit higher to that unfilled daily being my main draw on liquidity for the day. The way the markets have been moving in gold and just markets recently, I can expect that to happen on a trade off good confluences, but we will see. We are back. We're still dumping. It's perfect. Completely fine. Hourly is getting reached into. Silver is that's Nasdaq. Silver is also dumping. We'll just see on the 15 minute here. So you have to tap the 15 minute. Hopefully it taps an hourly. It did. Sick. Yeah, hopefully we start to get a retrace out of this. It's 15 minute. We've got if you realistically look, that's the midpoint of what's it called? Equilibrium. Oh no, it's not even. Equilibrium's all the way down here in this fair value part of the fair value gap. Not even mark out equilibrium. Not as a draw on liquidity, just for curiosity purposes, but I don't expect that to get tapped into before we move higher. I just want to see some sort of strong candle closure to the upside, indicating that we want to continue higher. Continuing in the way of the trend, as I do trade continuation model. I'm excited as for this graduation. It's gonna be fun hanging out with all my boys and shit. God, we're digging deep into this gap. Just give me some white candles to the upside, bro. Looks like volume's hopefully starting to die out at the moment. But we'll see what happens. We will definitely see what happens. I go to the casino tomorrow night. That would be fun. I don't really know what to yap about. There's lots I could yap about, like I leave in 5 days for my trip. I don't want to play music because my videos keep getting banned on YouTube. Or copyrighted if I play music. But, I don't know. Let me see like videos I can play. What music can you play without getting copyrighted? YouTube, let's see. Love to play some music, royalty-free music. Let's see this. It's gonna be some bullshit. I can play some background music and stuff, but I don't want to be playing this gay shit. Fuck, hopefully I can say that on YouTube. I just want to play house music. Non-copyrighted house music. This might have to be the play. God, just go up, bro. Leave it off. I don't really care that much. I want to see what Paddy and Blake do through their YouTube videos, because I'll be fucking with them hella. New trade idea can be something like this. To these internal highs. I'd be happy with that. 5-minute inverse out of 15-minute and hourly gap. No CISDs or anything. Friends are such degens. They're on. I don't even know if this will get banned, but they're on Rainbow right now. It's funny as. He just did 170x bull. What a demon. Absolute degen and a half though. God damn. He's running his account balance up. This guy, bro, that's fucking hilarious. I'll definitely let you know if there's any Alpha Future stuff soon to come, but I haven't heard anything yet. I doubt, like, if we come back up and inverse this, like, getting a CISD off of it would be, like, the most idealistic thing to see. Like, I don't know if my chart's just, like, broken. We're getting no volume, like, what the hell is happening? This is kind of ridiculous for London on an open. Hopefully it's just a... What is it, 4-hour candle close as well? Dude, hopefully it's just an open, low, high close. The fucking 4-hour PO3 bullshits. No way we move down. Please, just go up. Please. Please. Don't want to have to stay up tonight. I want to go for a hike tomorrow with my boys. Deadass just gonna get a pillow. We are so fucking overextended on silver though. Up 1.5% for the day is diabolical. But like, we're still pushing up on silver overall. Like, gold's just staying away from moving up, to be honest. No, we'll just sit here, be patient. Scroll on reels and shit. I got this new bag, this new carry-on bag from Amazon. Well, it got delivered today. I got it a couple of days ago, but it's such a good carry-on bag. Like, it fits everything I need for like day bags when I'm traveling and stuff. I wish I could like see my actual camera, this camera, on my screen, like myself at the top right corner. If I go here, what large just puts me FaceTime. It just puts me at the bottom corner here and I can see it. If I go off, is it like portrait? Standard, voice isolation, no, large. I want to like suss this out so it can be like cooler. Portrait. Let's just do. I want to like be able to at least see myself. Is it feels like wrong not being able to see myself. Be able to see what I'm doing and shit. How to see yourself on OBS while recording OBS. Use the window projector. Pop up. It's looking a bit better. Didn't really even read this, to be honest. Window projector to see yourself while recording. Like, I'm sure it can stay like this, and it will, like, I don't know if me changing anything, like, make this different. Add source. I don't think this will like pop it out of my screen doing it from here though. So 5 minute candle. I want to see next 5 minute candle close above this 5 minute gap. Getting some good volume on the 3 minute though, which I'm liking to see. But the next 5 minute candle closes in 4 minutes. So good to see a move of 3 points. How much would we be risking roughly on this trade? It would be 6 points. It's $10 a point. I'd have to risk 4 micros, I think. 4 times 6 is 240. Risking 240 to make 9 points, which would be like 350, 400. But I could even like take it up to here. When we get to here, what's 5 points? If we go up to here, we go break even at internal high here. Let it run here. Like I kind of, I hate trading. Like I want to maximize money, but I also don't want to be greedy. Like take your profits and you take your profits kind of thing. Account's looking pretty sweet though. I just want to see this 5 minute candle close up. I don't want it to close fucking too up. Can we just chill out a little bit? Let's go slow. We don't need to bring any extra volume into the market. Ooh, low key. Actually, it's with Amazon though. I have to return this package that I've got, and it's like I've got a hell nice box that I could return it in. But we'll see what happens. I doubt we're gonna go any lower than this. This has got to be low of day, surely. Fuck off. Stupid fucking charts, bro. See here. Don't go no higher. Retrace a bit if you have to. Retrace into a 1 minute gap that you've hopefully created. Yeah, retrace into that shit. Sit in that 1 minute gap, retrace into another 1 minute gap, get a 1 minute CISD off of that gap. Like, idealism. I'm gonna move this majorly to the side though. Yes, that, oh my god, just listen to me. It's just listening to me. It's doing exactly what I want. We're gonna retrace into this gap, go below this swing low, get a closure up here, right at the top of that 5 minute right there. Lots of volume in to the market. We might even be in a 2 minute gap right now. Oh my god, come into this 2 minute. This is what I want to see. 2 minute and then close on the 5 minute in 2 minutes. Oh my god, this could be nice. This could be really nice. This could be nice. Could be nice. Once again, I'll probably be risking 4 micros on this, not 10. I've got my risk settings set at 300, which is pretty good, pretty spot on. Realistically, I could risk 5 micros, but I feel like it's being greedy. I'm very happy with just settling with risking 4. Yeah, we'll be right. Good to see some volume into the market. Hopefully exactly what I said plays out. And this 5 minutes goes higher. Move this shit so far this way so it's not pissing me off. Ooh. I think I have the calculations correct. Depending on everything. We need a closure above here in 30 seconds to have a good setup that I am very, very willing to risk heavy on. Oh my god. Oh my god. Well, not even heavy. Actually, I think I can go 5 because of this setup. How good it is. $300. Do I accept the risk of $300? I do. Fuck. Brother. God damn, man. And now we're just lagging. The trading view's just gone. Bun the trading view. Bun it. Well, I don't even know. Let's get rid of all this shit on my NASDAQ chart. I'll back over to gold. Just pray we're not going up. Gold's just glitched for me by the looks of it. Oh, here we go. Now we're back. Hopefully this next 5-minute candle can close. Like, even if it closes up here somewhere. But we'll see what happens. We got a 3-minute gap we can come down to. But that would have been so sexy. Would have been so perfect for me, like calling out exactly what I wanted for the trade. Today, where's Asia highs? It's got to be Asia highs, right? No. You've been swept. We will not become of Asia lows, best believe. This 5-minute. Previous day Asia's up here. I might actually mark that out. Still very strong drawn liquidity overall. But that unfilled daily is the goal for the whole day. We'll see if we can accomplish it. Hope we do, but we will probably be in this trade for a long fuck ass time. As long as we get this 5-minute inverse. Your boy will be a fucking happy sailor. 16 points is crazy. Be a happy, happy sailor. Damn, that's weird as hell. But W paper trade, like I was looking at that too. I wanted shorts to the unfilled hourly. Like I didn't want them because I'm overall bullish for the day. Like I want longs, but shorts to unfilled hourly and unfilled 15-minute was super clean. But hopefully Alpha pull out some banger deals. I don't really have to stack up on accounts though, but be goated if you could grab some. My mate did 150 USD, so $225 Australian on dice, and he lost. What a degen, man. It's funny as.
I have no idea how I'm gonna get rich. Kind of coming to that realization, which sucks for sure. This is what I always tell people, and this is a good practice in my own life. When I feel lost and I want to make money and I don't know how to make money, if you don't know,
1 minute,
like
2 minute order block.
horrible. And get super jacked. I have no idea how I'm gonna
I agree, Toji. Does this sound like, every time I'm speaking, does this sound good? It should be sounding okay. Hopefully. Alright, maybe I have to speak with more like bass in my voice. Damn, we are retracing hella. Well, not hella, but a little bit. 3-minute gap. Still fucking fun. Ages away. We'll get a CI star. No, we won't. Look at a 1-minute inverse, but I don't give a fuck. I just look at the higher time frame. I know the trade I want. I've marked it out. Exactly what I want to see occur. A 5-minute gap tab wouldn't be bad, and then another 5-minute out of it. do it, G. And we gotta retrace. So we gotta wait another 5 minutes. You're wasting time, bro. Watching gambling videos, I'm that bored. Ooh, bang a win. Waiting game. Genuinely, I think I'll just take this to fucking the internals up here, go break even. Probably risk 5 micros on it because I'm not taking it to full top, you know. We'll see what happens. Let's see what silver's looking like. Silver's literally has not changed. Tap this 5 minute gap tab. What's this? The 215 candle. Didn't tap that fair value gap, but it tapped another one. Not really making a breakaway gap or anything, but it looks a lot cleaner. On silver, I guess we could have rejected because we were in this 5 minutes, 5 minutes, hey? See what happens. I want that 5 minute gap tap, but even if we don't get it, I'm still got a very safe stop loss placement regardless. Ugh. 2 minutes. 2 minutes with a possible entry. Let's go. Anything to not stay up too fucking night. £6. 6 points stop. $300 risk roughly. Just give me the 5 minute inverse. Give it to me. I'm fiending for it. Fiending for the inverse. Give me the inverse. It'd be super fucking clean trade though. I'm like very, very happy with how it looks overall. I don't see any reason we would go lower after we hopefully inverse this gap. We'll tap into this 5 minute order block. But I'm not so worried about that order block because we have such safe stop loss placement. Overall, still got a minute on this candle. I don't want to have to set like a sell or stop limit and miss my trade. Hopefully we inverse it pretty cleanly up around this area at the top of that candle. And I'd be more than happy to accept the risk on this trade. Candle closing in 30 seconds. If we do move higher, I will reduce risk. But this is just a one-to-one. Break even would be internals here. We do need to see an inverse though. The next 10 seconds. I liked waiting after the candle actually closes because I don't really fucking trust these candles. Oh yeah, that's
order filled.
325 stop loss. 430 430 take profit. Entered on both accounts, I assume. We are indeed. A plus, or I guess as good as a setup as you're gonna fucking get, in my opinion. We did. Well, apparently we didn't inverse it on actual gold, but on micro gold we did. So you gotta take what you get with a grain of salt. Very, very happy with the setup. Hopefully we can come inverse this, and CISD, the order block, would make this super nice. Overall total take profit could be 815, but I'm happy to secure 430. I accept the risk of $320 at the swing low. We'll see what ends up happening on this trade. Very, very slow volume. Very slow volume. If this doesn't hit, then I will lock out of my accounts until I'll lock out for the full day, and I won't trade. Won't trade New York session, even though New York's been presenting incredible opportunities recently. I do like these longs a lot. Yeah, this is like perfect sort of trade. I'll take every single day of the week. There's no harm on this trade, in my opinion. Like, if we do reverse after sweeping this internal liquidity here, then that would be very disappointing, because it would just be a break-even trade. Yeah, I don't know. We'll have to see. But trade is roughly here. Stop loss being here. Take profit here. Yeah, we'll see how it ends up playing out. Just leave this here for you guys. Give me a Roger. And time to just scroll reels. Pardon? The green one? Alright, back in a minute, guys. Give me my money! Give me my money! Slow volume. This isn't bad though. Do want to see this get inversed. We did tap the gap. Hopefully we don't reject off of this order block and gap, and we can just come and inverse it on this 5-minute candle that closes in a minute or so. Face cam's still in a decent position. We're still chilling. Don't really care what's happening on the lower time frames. I only care about the high time frames. I don't think there's anything on the 15-minute that's... I mean, we've got this 15-minute order block, actually. Didn't really see that. It's an order block in a way, but it's also not really, because we didn't see ISD on the downside. We should have came up, swept more to go lower. But it's definitely a point we can reject from. Just very happy with the safe stop loss we have. The stop loss, in my opinion, is impeccable, to say the least. I probably won't scale in more on this position. We'll have to see how it ends up playing out and what's happening. But yeah, super happy with the trade.
Today I will see how much money I can earn by selling this pink
That's
sand.
nice.
So first, in exchange for the sand,
Very
the brother
nice.
gave me this 20 rupees lemon water, which I then went to
Very, very nice.
and I hate to say it, but I kind of understand why my...
Hang on, my balance is on $60. We are going to
Yeah, stay here. Oh, that would be a nice area to scale into the position, but I'm not that kind of kind of guy to scale into positions. Not yet in my trading, at least. But holy smokes, this looks like it could run. If I go here, taking off 2 micros here, be winning day. But it only makes me an extra like $200 doing that. All that bullshit. I'd rather just take it to a proper full TP that I like. Can't be tampering with a system that I know that works. Just to secure extra couple $100. Yeah, hopefully this just keeps displacing through. It would suck to come up here and reverse from this point, but I don't see any reason to. We've got the 15 minute that closes in 5 minutes. I'm gonna place this here and change the color of it. Light blue. And that will indicate to me when this 5 minute candle closes. The 15 minute candle also will be CISDing, so that'll be a good sign to see that happen. Should be break even there. My profit to 15, $10. I don't even want to be break even on this because I know it's such a high conviction trade. But we'll just sit on that break even. If you reverse from this order block and don't, would it be a CISD over the order block? It would be. Holy sexiness. If we can get this CISD without fucking taking us out of this trade, would literally be like the most impeccable thing I've ever seen. Yeah, we'll see what happens. We have to move 4 or 5 more points up. Don't like being break even on this. If I get stop break even, I might cry myself to sleep. Are we retracing anything on the lower time frame? Yeah, I guess we are retracing something, but just got to stick to the high time frame bias on this trade. Not get too caught up on all the bullshit lower. Just stick to what I know. And I know that I have very heavy conviction for this trade overall. I don't really like these colors on my thing. Let's see if I can change these to be a little bit nicer. Because I don't really fuck with the color scheme of it. Like it's too not transparent enough. Even like, maybe I'm just being an idiot. Opacity, yeah, that's better. It's on 15%. That is nice. 12% opacity. Now I can see what's happening. Let me save that shit. What's silver looking like? Silver took out these highs, so being break even on this is the correct choice. Hopefully the SMT at these highs doesn't completely bumfuck us. And I want to see this 15 minute CISD right now. In the next minute and a bit. But yeah, hopefully the SMT at the highs doesn't bumfuck us. Set this 15 minute just to see what happens. We should continue higher. If not, it will not be too shabby, because it would just make me have less confidence overall. But once again, completely risk-free trade. See what happens. No, go up. Get above that blue line right now. Be a good boy. What are you looking like on the hourly? The hourly looks nice. Open, low, high, close. What do we got? 10 seconds. Go up. Alright, that's a 15 minute close everyone wants to see. See where the next candle appears, just so it's not like down here. It doesn't stitch us. Should be okay. Should be okay, should be okay, should be okay, hopefully. I haven't really seen anything come of this next candle. Yeah, no, we're chilling. We're chilling on that. Yeah, we'll just sit on that. Happy with that overall. We did create a new 5 minute if we come into that, and that's fucking annoying. We created a new 5 minute that we might want to come fill. Oh, my dog's being so loud. Yeah, honestly, like I'm doing my trade video on OBS right now, just recording my trade and stuff for that 15 minutes. Super nice. That's what I wanted to see on the 15 minute. So we'll see. Hopefully it doesn't break even. It just continues to play out higher. I don't want us to come tap this 5 minute below. I just want us to distribute straight up, honestly. My mate's in longs at the moment as well, just on paper trading. I guess he's sort of getting his confidence back. I'm not 100% sure, but get rid of this fucking blue line now. Yeah, he's chilling. Just don't take too long. What are we looking like? Sitting at winning day. Perfect winning day. I'm happy. I'm very happy. Very, very happy. Give me a What is TJR doing? All of his recaps, his YouTube videos. I don't know if I'm like allowed to go on them, or YouTube will ban me or whatever. But what does he do during his recaps?
Imagine being able to build an app with your name on it, just by thinking about it. Meet Base 44. All right, guys.
I guess I'm sitting here silently. Fuck all yous, I don't have to talk. Yapping too much for no reason. I'm targeting the internal highs. I wouldn't mind going to the daily unfilled, but I don't think I'd want to be in the trade for that long. The daily unfilled is definitely the best draw on liquidity on the day. We'll probably eventually reach up into there at some point. Even these Asia highs are beautiful trade. But we'll just take my piece of the pie. Hopefully we can take the actual piece of the pie. I wouldn't mind getting some sort of closure above these highs to indicate a break of structure to the upside. Then it would make me less sort of worried, I guess, of retracing from this into, and my stop loss and take profit is gone. Make me less worried, but we'll see. It would be super fucking nice catching it all the way to those highs, honestly. Because I just know it's gonna happen. You just know it's gonna happen. Hopefully we can clip farm this. Maybe it distributes to the and then we reject. Look like on the 1 minute. Interesting 1 minute candle. Damn. As soon as I said clip farm, we start going the wrong way. Holy. And it looks like way worse on this Alpha account than it does on here, but I'm just chilling it. Gotta have the conviction. some reason I just like sussing. Sussing what could have been. What could have been. What's 6? Oh, we've created a new 5 minute. Alright, this could actually look really, really good. Tap to the 5 minute. If we move off this, I didn't even. I always be forgetting to do that. Like seeing new gaps we generate. Like whenever this closes, it generates a new gap. Like this hourly gap, it generated technically. Like I always be forgetting to do that shit. Sussing the higher time frame after. What? After like market opens and stuff. There we go. Don't inverse the 5. No! SMT might be cooking me, chat. The SMT might be cooking me. The SMT might just be cooking me. Damn. Ugh. Disappointing stuff, I guess. Hopefully we can reject off the 5 and do something. But if we do create this 15, we'll more than likely want to come and tap into it. We've got 8 minutes to move higher before I get a little bit more worried. We'll see. Damn. 0.67. I'd like it to be 0.8 something, but looks like break even is gonna happen. Oh, what are we dipping into? Inverse the 3. Yeah, there's no way we don't come down further here. Damn! Damn. Piss me off, chat.
Order filled.
Break even. Still possible re-entries, but nothing incredible. Looks like we just wanted to wick out my stop loss and move higher maybe. But I don't know with this SMT. Now we're moving up on silver. We'll see what happens. Oh, makes me want to go to sleep. Getting break evened, especially after being up so much money. So much money.
Are you hungry?
A little bit, yeah.
Food's ready.
I'll be out soon. My girls. Like, make it make sense, gee. There's no 15 anymore. I'm deep inside the 15 minute. Trading. When do we get volume? I don't know. No, that's alright. Pretty happy and break even.
Yeah, for sure, bro. Just close to the county coke, I said you got some more money.
My G, love that, bro. Love that. Just got fucking break even on my trade, but what can you do, cuz? Trading. Don't you love trading? The answer's no. Go. Should've just taken the winning day, G. But what can you do? No short is valid here. I'll probably just sit on here for a few more minutes, see if we can get a re-entry. Wish we broke structure above these highs. Would have probably played out a little bit different. But gold really does make me have to be patient, man. I just want to go. Fuck it, you guys can come with me. I'm gonna lay on my bed. Oh, what a setup.
I prefer like real life because online is pretty much red. Oh, we in. Online's fucking fake unless people can prove that they're catching up more with their feet. I don't know.
Damn. Diabolical. Diabolical move down.
I'm prepared to be the person who's going to do the difficult things that need to be done. I don't believe there's anybody currently within the UK political establishment who's
Grrr. Only thing I could have done differently is as soon as we took out these highs at, let me see the exact time. Took out the highs pre this candle. No, this candle we took out the highs. 243. Taken full profit off this candle here. That would have been the full take profit. That could have been no, not could have been. It should have been, in a way, full take profit, but it wasn't because I had conviction for the highs. But looks like I don't even know if we want to trend bearish. Oh, sit and watch boringness.
Morning. I'm going to go in the Golden Eagle. Going to back linebacker. And I'm going to 3,000, please. Yes, please. I will. I won't. Thank you. You win some, you lose more. Morning.
Swept the lows. Does that make that? What have we got on the 5 minute? 2:10 a.m. That brings us a bullish SMT. Ooh. I don't think we'll react off of it, but we'll see.
It's a mannequin. And I was in training. Like, what? She literally looks like your ex. Why would you even do Everyone looks like my ex to you. Yeah, because they do. But you said my father looked like my ex. Literally dated half of Las Vegas. Yeah, so? Literally just don't know why you kissed that girl while giving her CPR. It's a... Bro, this is actually like dead ass crazy. Like, you know Z Tracy? Bro, this is actually like dead ass crazy. Like, you know.
Gonna go for a ski?
What do you got there? Is that a vodka cruiser shit? Have a look at this guy. He's drink driving.
Oh no.
Have a look. You're kidding. Why is Oakley such a good place out here?
Rip skids, mad cheeks.
Yeah?
What else can you get? Don't worry, mate. Don't worry. Gonna go for a ski?
What do you got there? Is it... Can I hit it in the morning? 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 Sports betting makes me have a lot more empathy with women. Guys, please
What are we
stop
doing?
black henna.
What are we doing, Silver?
Youngstown, he accidentally used his black henna. Don't let the sun touch it. I went in the ocean because I was told that the salt water would help it, which it did peel everything off. But the sun...
I think I'm giving up on this fucking price action. Time to wait for New York. Ugh. Don't even know what I could see possible for today. Disappointing I break even on that, but I mean, would have ran to stop loss. So, what can you do? I am gonna lock out of my accounts now. As much as I want to just click this button and over risk, we'll lock out until 1 a.m. Unfortunately, I guess I'm staying up tonight. That's 1 p.m. Would have fucking sucked. Just lock out there. Lock out. Yes, lock me out. Perfect. Locked out of my accounts. Yeah, I'll catch you boys later, I guess. Nothing really, like, I mean, you saw my trade. Break even. Just time to do social media, so I'll catch you boys soon. Peace.